Bruce's contribution to medicine in context of Organon of Medicine, BHMS second year. Introduction. Bruce, 1772 to 1838, a French physician, is primarily known for his contribution to understanding of medical system during the era of Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, the founder of homeopathy. Bruce's theory and practice contrast sharply with the principle of homeopathy, make its work significant in understanding the evolution of medical through during the period. Key point about Brooks' background. Full name François-Joseph-Victor Brousseau. He practiced during the late 18th and early 19th century in France, known as the fount of the allopathy school of medicine. In contribution, advocate heroic medicine, a system of aggravated treatment, common method used in introduce bleeding, purge, and use of toxic drug in high dose. Believe the disease could be removed from the body by excessive evacuation. Contrast with Hahnemann principle. Hahnemann approach focus on general treatment based on the law of similar similibus curantum. Bruce approach emphasizes contraries curanter, meaning opposite cure opposite, which align with allopathic medicine. Bruce practice however lead to serve depletion of vitality in the patient, which Hahnemann criticized. Criticism by Hahnemann. In his work Organon of Medicine, Hahnemann often referred to such a practice harmful and unscientific. He denounced the use of aggressive techniques that weaken the life force. Rebuild to Organon. Understanding Bruce's method help contextualize the development of homeopathy. Highlight the advantages of homeopathy in terms of gentleness, precision, and alignment with natural law. Implication of Bruce's practice impact on patient. His method on result in weakened immune system and unnecessary suffering. Rise of homeopathy. The harshness of heroic medicine plays a significant role in patient seeking alternative, gentle treatment like homeopathy. Importance in education. Studying his approach allows BHMS students to appreciate the progressive nature of homeopathic principle compared to allopathy of that era. University examination answer tip. Format to follow. Introduction. Brief. Important contribution is method for comparison approach with homeopathy. Relevance organ. Discuss why with work in significance to evaluation of homeopathic principle. Conclusion. Summarize his legal and important in medicine. Sample conclusion. Bruce's aggressive method of treatment through wide accepted in his time across the need of gentle, more specific approach to healing. Hahnemann criticized this method led to foundation of the holistic patient-central practice of homeopathy, making Bruce's work on critical point referring her history of medicine. If you like it, can structure a detailed answer, provide reference for further reading.